Nchini kwa nkuru kwa Sara Nyarangi Ontita kaba mwananchi gwe Ikomi ekerotoko ya chaka korwa sebunge ya Kitutu cha South county ya Kisii ensemo ya Kioge abwase duka eyemo ya Nyarako bage gusambwa na kujya gwike koera obotuko bwogokira rero abokorengana ne amate batamanyeti nganingo oikeranetie kebekyo ase gosase nibe nyinge ya Nyarako bake gusareka Robotirwa senchira yoboikira no molikyoto Captain 001 Demo Steven nagendete kororosia senchira yoboikira no kolende ayanaro akoregete asensemeyo ya Kioge.
Steka kio ntara kura 30 minutes kitu arara abu by 3 bono stima karo yaenda akigonyore simi ngwa karo simi lidanga yonore ire nyomba gabo namute ya tindere nyomba gabo nga yore nka moinore etinga ya wone duka moino gaiga umoro kare gwoka na bori okare gwoka ina ri bontonya ara gocha tuikaga na mutwanya oro muraro kete kabisa abantu no baringi na bona batema gocha bande ba dimi akire ne ntonke tonya ara kurusi maiga baido ya to ira sare nene sana tingo ta bane stima ya kosi yo muriro ako bestima no rieri archiwa echire uya kabisa either no monto ochaga igosi ara mafuta onyara usambe duke aiga ya so to ira sare kete nene sana around 900 and something thousand ako be bintu byarenge mega ne binge sana nimbwate musio ka saiba nimbwate wifi eri okoboko nabwate laptop nimbwate computer ibere nimbwate screen ya computer ni screen ya kore TV kona na gorire laminate tara korno no mutienyi bintu byose pino byarenge maiga
Omosacha oyomo bw'emyaka ya igatwa nigo esungetie ase kenyoro Kenya miogo ayonkorengana na isenya gusira oyote babuna omwana oye gusoma muri oyoye konyeta manyeti na barabo kolendi nigamenyete sobongina abwasaira na gochanka matukuma kyayetire naende tarorekanete ogotware birengererio kolendi nigo bari no gwichana unakero kende ninkikeirera ogwesungia kwaye nigo batukibwa chakiwe kwene kyanga ninkikirenya gusira gwerusia obugima
Samarieta nguru kusamira temu uyo nyamwaro uyo nyagusira no mwana one nero mumuro monne igona bokire bona mambia ngonyora ngumwana uyu mojo koro komonyora kara ikugore sukali ujukwera na bojo konte binga nyare boyu bwesungetia kyaire njira no ire gagwisi ko igegweta itirisa nyombe itirabe kumirango njengo ngukuru nyomba ngakia ngujya soka ngonyora na bwesungetia mane abo twanyora bwesungetia goigo
Samaria tango kutarasagero bona tomweduka uchikwira nega ngotire yangonya netange na nyombe yute bwatidisha ne nyombe yagachire tarako kurigereri na romonto esungeti wikange na nyora na nko yane ari na mnyokarende na tayaba
Amate eyemo korwa sekenyoru Nyangongo ward ya Bonyamatuta bunge ya West Mugrango county ya Nyamira nigeganetie oboene maega yumubere Bonyagosira Douglas Onduko otoka korutire asoroche rwa makairo korengana na tatu mwabo nigo atebiraganetio oboene gotoka na kumanyanki keirera umwana yegosirio bugima oyorenge okora emeremo ne county ya Nyamira nigaganio botukibwe imegokorwa elio bamanye inki na ende ningo oikeranetio boiti Bonyagosira Douglas Onduko
Nelson Onduko nche tatu mwa onda kirasi yo uitwa karutwariro goje makairo igorende no mwana kanyosomire buya na ende kanyanaria nyorire kwarwa ari Nyamira County tarakora matuko mange korera ng'emyaka ebirega igobona litwa gwata gosemerio kone na asari bono genga ngatwa kirita machorwe ekera abutogete gati torogeti bwo babonde bwensi kyari tukuria Jumamosi twakorete gasi na mugondo senka yaito tabwate ko complain usimoro sonde bwensi it was normal kama kawaida karagera pa saa 2 bakaenda korara nyuma mwao torogeti kende no ne room ya ji diary cha na ochire tarigeti no enkende information else so bono ekene pi to sabe serikali eto watsi tumanye ekene obene butoke kiagera to mwana ya gaitu
wetania aborokigwa emieyemo kurwase county ya Homa Bay nigo babekerwa chigutwa maega yugokora morokereria bo kurwase chikosi ao chamaboko chikosi ekyo konya chigosirwa amone kyombegia KCB Foundation unencheremo yokorwa maegerio gochia sabasae eliokora chikosi chamaboko chirabakonye asa magimabo alibosyo okwana nabaliki bamangana no muteneneri gosoyo mobo bateneneri korwase kyombekio ya KCB Foundation oyo tebire kirenga nigo baganetie gokonya abasaye bali babulire nemirimo ase chinsemo ao waigo gati abasabu banyarko bakubekerwa chigutwa nigo bakeire KCB Foundation ngambia mono asoko banyura na kobaroselia magimabo asa matuko alibosyo.
Continue increasing them, and we appreciate our partners who have supported us. We would not do this without them. We work very closely with Mastercard Foundation. We work very closely with the GIZ, German Development Corporation. So we really appreciate the support that we get, and of course the group, because for every year, 1.5% of the profit that KCB Group makes is given back to communities, and that's how we're able to run these programs that we run like Tujiajiri.
From electrical installation and electronics engineering, and I've taken the Tujiajiri program. It is a good program, more so for ladies in the engineering department. We find like most of the things that are being taught there are, you find it is practical. More of them is practical, so you get exposed to what you are doing before even you tackle it. So you get to know them also in that department as Tujiajiri program. Another thing is also we find like Tujiajiri program, because they don't do the criteria by selecting others because of the gender or being a woman or a masculine.
Omabunge bwensemo ya Suba North Omasubati Mili Odhiambo no yogendrete gusira na kokobo kumswada igoro yo kuligeria mangana ya basubati bono kuligeria emerobeli mekeranu igoro yo gokora chisegi chegenka na boigo obunereria gocha somwana munyaroka mono esegi yogosara omwana munyaroka eyogendrete mono ase chinsemo cha Migori Homa Bay na boigo Migori asatebire na chekwene kya keraye kiri ase bunge banyare ko baba kuyesira goika banyare ko bakoranga umuswado yungwe etore ase bunge unencheremo yogo chakie kigancha kyogokonya abasubati bali baeteire chisegi chanka gose bali banyorire chinguma kubwatikana no chisegi chegenka nigaya kwanaya ime yensemo ya Homa Bay abwase babwatege ikaro igoro yokore merobele mekerano yogosira umuswado yo.
This is a bill that will work in tandem with the Sexual Offences Act. The Sexual Offences Act looks at sexual offences crimes, but the reproductive health care, the family reproductive health care bill deals with issues of a reproductive nature. We have a lot of our girls that have no information about their reproductive life, and because of that they are misused, they are abused. Like here in Homa Bay County, the cases of sexual abuse and violence has become extremely high, and even cases of sexual relations between young people amongst themselves is extremely very high, and that has also even resulted in a lot of cases of HIV/AIDS and other infections for our girls. So part of what this bill does, first of all, because it's called a family reproductive health care, it takes a family perspective and approach, but it also takes a lifetime approach, so that a lot of people, when they hear about sexual and reproductive health care, what goes in their mind is about abortion. This is not about abortion. It's about our children knowing about their reproductive.
Nene imeyense ya Kenya na chiri chechi county nigo bono chiasemiwe gokonya na gusira abana bali no bolema imense ya Kenya unenchire moya barabu kwegendereria kimasomo na boigo kibogima ene nkwana ya kwanwa korwa sababu watani ao korwa sorongo rwa Nyanza Western Rift Valley korwa se club kia Rotary Club ekyo kegendete korwa bokonyi ochia sabana bo bare nobolema nigo batebire buna mpagwenerete kwegwa chinga kichinyororo asoko bwatesiwa na barai ao korwa sekera county.
Here today to celebrate persons with disability. What we've done, we've invited children with disability just to show them love, entertain them, feed them, and of course we'll give them gifts as they go home. But beyond that, we are here to create awareness on persons with disability.
This rally brings together children who are disabled within Kisii County so that we can celebrate them and put a smile on their faces literally.
And we would like to put in a bit of resources from the National Government Constituency Development Fund to try and make it a little more accommodative. But again, today I just realized the new curriculum-based system has not catered for the kids with special needs. So that is one other thing that we like to push the Ministry of Education to try and ensure that these kids actually are at par with the rest of the able kids.
Maega yekigambiro ekenene koruo kona chabuna ekiombekia LGBTQ Kenya ko bageke walibaga na kwelikia buna byombe binde byonsi asense ya Kenya bono okona choku ni gokogendete koleta liberera litindi korwa sababu watani bechikanisa au ime yense ya Kenya asekelia buna okona choku ni gokogenda mamincha nelichiko na boigo mamincha ye Biblia gosebuku ya Nyasaye oyo bwango iga kugikelia enganeyo nomo Archbishop korwa Diocese ya Nyeri Anthony Muheria oyo rule birangeli byae na gokana bororo igoro yenganeyo.
Rule and says that those persons with these inclinations may associate. Basically what that means is that perhaps it will be also a way for them and us to address them, to work with them as human persons, because we welcome them into our society. They are brothers and sisters with certain inclinations. Some of them, and I would say most of them, without any part on their part that has made them be that way. However, the actions of homosexuality can never be acceptable. They are evil. Therefore, if this association is so as to spread, popularize, and bring about more and more people into this kind of actions and behavior, then we call it out as evil and must be addressed as so. So one thing is give them the right to associate. Another thing is allow them that these evil actions that are condemned by God.
Aba bisaba banyanyimbo korwase county ya Garissa bana nigo barurege kurege tindi ocha sonde bwensi okoira gosokoiba endemero ase county yo ataliko bwatyali chiko buna aliganeire anigago chamaega yamarema mange koirwa nabantu batamanyekaneti na abande bamanyire abwase bono bakureirwe onde bwensi orachigotoka nekeginga getabwatya masakaraisa ine nigarache koimokeriwe getambo kerege tindi keli chiko ekiagera obwo no boibi.
The county government is the custodian of the land in this county. This is community land. Yeye mmechukua ardhi ya community na gani bila sisi ku approve? How? Hiyo ni urongo tupu. We are revoking them, then you come to us amkumsema alafu na kabila fulani. Mimi baba kabila sijui. I'm revoking these titles because zimeleta shida. Hata land ya kuchenga choo hakuna choo. All land has been grabbed. What tufanye nini? How do you work? So we have
na buna enchire ya moyo gotanga ogosira kubugima na boigo gotanga asobo tumekiba maliogo yogotindia na boigo bosale bwichingencho ao bono nigo ekiombe kyabasae korwase county ya Nandi besokire na gochaka korwa maigelio ochia sabasae ime ye county yobune enchire ya moyo kubamanya igoro yobobe bogotumeka maliogo yogotindia anigago chama ega yomubaro manene bwabasae korwase county yo korolekana weso ya ase chimbwa chimbe gati aba maliogo yogotindia obosagani no bosalia ao egento kiabekire amagima yabange asakon ekiagera gati abo banyare kwa bagusire magima kubwatekana ne chimbwe ekyo chimbe.
They punish her in form of physical Siutoa mawimbo zenye zina encourage vijana at least wachane na drug abuse and substance abuse. Yani pia tunaongea na vijana at least wa reform.
I decided to celebrate my birthday with the alcohol recoveries. We have a lot of social issues that are related to alcohol and substance abuse. Now, I thought it's a good idea, and if we can eliminate alcohol and substance abuse in our community, tutakuwa tumeweza eliminate a lot of social issues in our community.
Na tukiangalia kama Nandi, tuko na shida sana ya illicit brews. Vijana wamejiingisha kwa pombe haramu.
Mwanchu muligereria na rayu asebono kulinda mange nkogocherara senchira y'obwikirano ekerekoraga ensa eyamo ya bono botuko ekerabaliki baitu barase chinsemo ao kwenekia bunango sangiriria bare onsi asenchira y'obwikirano tobaisa gosuke kiagera eyenero Ndizi TV obwansu bumugusii olionekia buna kwa enyorero onsi gwetera senchira y'emitandao nabaigo chibicha na mariogi nigakoro kwa Abigail Nyanchama abakobwaterana na Melody Bonareri twara obuligereria borobuya ime ya Ndizi TV incheniga nkoro kwa Sara Nyarangi Ontita.